Hey guys, it's me, Simon, and today I'm going to talk about how to use Canva to design your own little, whatever you call it. There's like tons of stuff on here. Social media posts, invitations, cards, documents. But this time I'm going to do our YouTube stuff in here. There's YouTube channel art and YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to make YouTube thumbnail video with Canva in a different video. I'm not gonna, put that in this video, but I can do channel art. So let's just go over here and we can look at our stuff. So here we have all of the templates. You can even create your own design, and you can get some premium if you upgrade your account if this is not nice enough for you. I like this one, so I can just change the text. But before I do all that, I'm just gonna run you through on how to use this thing. So if you go to Elements, there are free photos, all these free photos. Grids. You can add your video. I won't be using this. Frames. Won't be using that either. And just go to shapes. Shapes. This one is actually. There are some of these that are not very useful. This is not that useful as most things here. The charts was very interesting when I looked at it. Here are the lines. Most of these I won't really need to use. I'm just going to really use text. See, there are illustrations. And there are like Canva stuff. You definitely don't want to put Canva or something like that on your YouTube channel page. It's not something that you want to put on there. Charts was interesting. I guess maybe I could use it, but most likely I won't. Unless I was putting it on like a YouTube thumbnail, maybe for getting a new YouTube video, like a YouTube fundamental video. And then there are some icons. Most of these you won't have to use, so I'm just going to run you through the text real quick. I'm happy with the text that's on here right now. And there's the background templates. You can change it if you want. Alright, and forgot one. You can upload your own images in there. So now I'm going to change the text. You might be one of the first people to see my new channel art. If you're watching this video, you probably are one of the first people to see this. Alright, come on. Alright, so I'm going to change it to my channel name. Simon's Fun. And this is like a really good thing to do. It's saying, hey, new videos every this day or every week or every whatever. That's a really good way to get people to keep checking back in on your channel. So new videos every, let's see. Oops. If you think I should change my day that I'm doing this, feel free to comment below. I'm going to do this on Friday. Whoops. Everyday spelling mistakes. Alright. And we're pretty much done. I can download this. may want to learn more about this, and then click download and you're done. Boom, 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 boom. Have a good day, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and bye.